Okay, I want to take a look at the special right triangle assignment again because we had a lot of trouble with that on our quiz last week. And since you are doing a re-quiz on this tomorrow, I thought maybe we should look at it a little bit. So I'm going to do a couple of problems with you, and then you're going to work the rest on your own. I want to take a look at the bottom two because they are the harder ones where the numbers don't line up quite like you'd want them to. So this first one here is a 30, 60, 90. So our pattern is x root 3, 2x. And then you want to take a look at where the 10 goes. So several students tend to just put the 10 in an easy spot. So x is 10 because it doesn't have a root 3 on it. But that's not how it works, unfortunately. The pattern goes with a certain angle measure. The x is across from the 30. The x root 3 is across from the 60. And the 2x is across from the 90. So this 10 is across from the 60-degree angle. So it needs to go in the 60-degree slot. We then need to take a little time and solve this. X root 3 is 10. And we can set that up as an equation. X root 3 is 10. Then we solve that for x. I'm going to divide both sides by root 3. X equals 10 divided by root 3. And we need to rationalize this because we don't like radicals in the denominator. So I'm multiplying by root 3 divided by root 3. So I've got 10 root 3 on the top. And I have root 3 times root 3 on the bottom, which is root 9. And root 9 is simply 3. So my answer is 10 root 3 over 3. Now that I have x, I can double that to get 2x. 20 root 3 over 3. Now a lot of us left it right here. Oh, I don't know which one is your answer. Which one is y and which one is w? Well, y is across from the 90, so this one equals y. And that makes this one equal w. Okay, and then if possible, give me a little circle there. All right, for number 8, we have a 45, 45, 90. Our pattern is x root 2. Nope, not x root 3. X root 2. Notice on this one up here, there are no angles. Well, it's a 45, 45, 90 because we've got the two sides being the same. So it's going to be just like this one. Okay, determine where the 7 goes. Is it across from the 45? Is it across from the 45? Or is it across from the 90? Well, the 7 is across from the 90, so it goes there. Again, making this the harder equation to solve. 7 equals x root 2. So we're going to divide by root 2. Those are going to cancel, so we've got x equals 7 over root 2. But we're going to rationalize. So it is 7 times root 2 over 2. All right. That is both our w and our y. Thought I changed colors there. All right, and you can kind of check that. You know that whatever's in the x spot multiplied by root 2 is supposed to equal what's in the x root 2 spot. So 7 root 2 over 2 times root 2 is 7 root 4 over 2, which is 7 times 2 over 2, which is 7. So we still get from x to x root 2 by multiplying by root 2. Okay, so I want you to take some time today, practice these as best you can. I'll quickly go over the answers tomorrow before the. So I want you to do the best you can and go over these 8 problems. I will give you the answers quickly tomorrow before the quiz if you need them. But do your best, take your time, check it with a calculator if you want to. So a lot of you did trig on these special right triangle problems. So you probably got the answer right in decimal form, but I need it in radical form. So check it using trig. See if you get the same decimals. Okay, you've got this and you've got that Google form activity, and I will see you at the meet.